Hey folks, welcome to another Mora Monday. Today I show you, in my opinion, one of the last excellent knives made by Mora of Sweden. At least from the modern Mora company. Mora Classic Original. I found that on eBay, and it lacks the original sheath, so I made this on my own using a plastic insert from another Mora knife and wrapped it with leather, stitched it together, made some pyrography on it, and I never would have bought that new because the price for that was ridiculous in my opinion. It was 80 bucks back then. And when you realize the carving knives from Mora, also with the laminated steel, they were less than a half of it. Anyway, I was lucky to get this one for 25 bucks on eBay, and it is really a good knife. Also laminated steel, scary sharp. This laminated steel from Mora is really, it's dangerous. It's in fact, in my opinion, one of the sharpest factory made blades out there.